Zaragoza, the vibrant capital of the Aragon region in northeastern Spain, offers a rich tapestry of history, culture, and modernity that beckons travelers to explore its diverse attractions. Nestled along the banks of the Ebro River, this ancient city boasts a heritage dating back over 2,000 years, and its strategic location has made it a melting pot of cultures, evident in its architecture, festivals, and cuisine. One of Zaragoza's most iconic landmarks is the Basilica of Our Lady of the Pillar, a magnificent Baroque temple with a history dating back to the Roman period. Legend has it that the Virgin Mary appeared here, making it a significant pilgrimage site for Catholics. The basilica's towering spires and opulent interior are a testament to the city's religious importance. The Aljaferia Palace is another architectural gem that reveals Zaragoza's Moorish past. Originally built as a fortified Islamic palace during the 11th century, it later became a Christian residence and showcases a stunning blend of architectural styles. Visitors can explore its intricately decorated rooms, lush gardens, and picturesque courtyards. Zaragoza's historic Old Town, or Casco Antiguo, is a labyrinth of narrow streets and squares where you can soak in the city's unique atmosphere. Plaza del Pilar, flanked by the Basilica and City Hall, is the heart of the Old Town and a hub for cultural events and festivals. Stroll through the winding alleyways to discover charming cafes, local boutiques, and traditional Spanish tapas bars. For art enthusiasts, the Pablo Serrano Museum and the Museum of Contemporary Art offer a fascinating journey through modern and contemporary Spanish art. The Goya route, dedicated to the renowned painter Francisco Goya, invites visitors to explore the artist's life and work in Zaragoza. Zaragoza also comes alive with various festivals and events throughout the year. The Fiestas del Pilar, held in October, is the city's most famous celebration, featuring parades, concerts, and fireworks. The colorful Carnival of Zaragoza and the San Valero Festival are also worth experiencing for a taste of local traditions. To savor the city's gastronomic delights, delve into Aragonese cuisine at its finest. Zaragoza boasts a culinary scene where traditional dishes, such as migas, crumbs with chorizo, ternasco, roast lamb, and bacalao a jorrillero, codfish stew, are prepared with a modern twist in many restaurants. For a touch of nature, take a leisurely stroll along the banks of the Ebro River or head to the nearby Moncayo Natural Park, known for its lush forests, hiking trails, and the stunning Moncayo Mountain. Adventure seekers can explore the nearby Sierra de Guara, renowned for its canyoning and rock climbing opportunities. Zaragoza's strategic location also makes it a convenient hub for exploring other parts of Spain, with easy access to regions like Catalonia, Navarre, and the Pyrenees Mountains. In conclusion, Zaragoza is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends its rich historical heritage with a vibrant modern spirit. Whether you're drawn to its ancient landmarks, cultural treasures, culinary delights, or festive atmosphere, Zaragoza promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you enchanted by the heart of Aragon.